Mr. Speedy Locksmith of Sioux Falls, located at 819 South Marion Road in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We are across the street from Woody's Grill, a couple buildings down from the Thirsty Duck. We have now opened a physical store to go along with our mobile service. That means we can now save you even more money by having you come to us. So whether you need an automotive, commercial, or residential locksmith service, if you are in or around Sioux Falls, South Dakota, please call Mr. Speedy Locksmith of Sioux Falls. We can come to you, or you can now come to us. For all of your locksmithing needs, call Mr. Speedy Locksmith of Sioux Falls.